What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? It's your guy, William Wade, here to Ascent. Yes, Ascent Cleaning Solutions. And we got our first RV. We're going to clean an RV for the first time. Fold up the blankets. That's my guy. Fold up the blankets. Put them up nice and neat. Can't get too much in the bathroom, so we're back now. Let's get this thing together. Wipe that down. I'll take a little 20 minutes. This bag right here, about 30 minutes. Take this off. Scared, man. I didn't know what was going on. Get that nice and good. Pull this out. Got it all off in the back of there. Got back there, got the crumbs back there. Make sure we clean out the microwave. Don't forget the microwave. Smells good in here. Put the bag in the trash. Everything organized. Folded up the blankets. Got the bed looking nice and neat and got for my guy. And he bought us lunch, so you know what? We went overboard. My son came and found all this stuff. I didn't know he was going to do it like that. That's what I'm talking about. See? Let's go on the extra mile. I like it. Go on the extra mile mentality here at Ascent. See, we got that right there where we fold them stuff up. Make sure we get some window seals. That's for my residential cleaning. Make sure we high dust. That's for my commercial. Well, it's not high, but it's a high dusting technique when you get on top of the things like that, on top of the blinds. But that's commercial experience. We're gonna hit that right there. Some more commercial experience. We didn't touch that yet. So this right here needs to be touched on, son. That vent. All right, let's go back a little bit here. All right. There we go. Nice and clean. We didn't have to go in there. Not in the oven. Wipe that off the counters. I wouldn't have to. You went in the oven? I wouldn't have to go in the oven. Well, we're on in the oven anyway. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Nice clean oven. I guess you wiped in here too then. Alright, straighten up the refrigerator. Nice wipe down. Alright. Put the latch back on it. In here, also got around the tracks that was down there. Got around those tracks. Got as far back in the back as we could. Make sure that was clean. Got the walls and the thing in there. Got the shower. Came in here and straightened the bed up a bit. Straightened up the bed a bit. Tidied up the shoes just a tad. And hey, we got it mopped, swept, and smelling good. We have a nice scent in here. That's what Ascent does. Ascent makes you feel clean when you walk in there. That's what Ascent is. Ascent makes you feel clean. Yes, sir. Okay. Let me get down here at the bottom. Yeah, we make sure we get that bottom together. That's another thing from a commercial cleaning. That bottom, you make sure you get the bottom of them toilets. Make sure you taste that up. Make sure I clean it off before we leave. Yes, sir. We make sure the ladder cleaned off too. We didn't do the outside. We didn't do the outside. That's an inside job. We got an inside man doing the inside job. There we go. And I enjoyed it. Nice, clean. Ascent Cleaning Solutions in Nashville, Tennessee. We can get your RV clean too. All right, peace.